Hey YouTube! Today I'm going to be reviewing my Grasshopper 722D lawnmower. This is the best lawnmower we have ever owned. It has mowed lots of lawns. It has a 22 horsepower diesel engine. I'll just show you it right in here. It's a Kabota. Even in the brutal heat, it doesn't even come close to overheating. It runs clean. And I'll just show you around. Okay, one of the best features is the powerful deck. Here, what you have to do is lift your footrest up like that. Lift this up like this, and then turn it to lower where it says fold up. It's much easier than the conventional way of putting a jack under it and prying it up like that. Powered by that little electric motor. Yep, right under there's the blades. So easy to sharpen and clean with that handy dandy feature that only Grasshopper offers. And there's the fuel tank. Here's the dashboard and all the buttons. Yep, so I'll just let the deck down and fire it up. Oh, and another one of the great features of this is flexible. So when you hit a tree from this side, it just bends up and over without damaging the tree or the chute. And it also is safer, so rocks and stuff don't fly out from under it. So I'll just let it down, and how you let it down is go over to the fold up side, which is the raised side. Nice handy cup holder that's adjustable. Over there is the cutting height, so where you can tell how high your cutting height is. Okay, I'll just fire it up. I ran a little bit earlier, so this isn't a cold start. The light for the brake, the oil, and the battery are on, so the brake means it's on, the oil's fine, the battery's fine. When the temperature light comes on, that means it's overheating, and it has never come on. Right there is the temperature gauge and the battery gauge. We have a good battery right now. Lights, handy light, very handy pre-installed lights. They aren't an accessory, they just come with the lawnmower. Here's how you turn the blades on. Here's the throttle. Okay, I'll fire it up. I'm going to do a little glow plug. About 3 seconds is good for a warm start. And fire it right up. Here's the engine running. about getting a new lawnmower riding, please check out your local Grasshopper dealer. Because these are the best, some of the best mowers ever built. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I do appreciate comments. And also watch my other great videos. Thanks.